While these unprecedented times have restricted our traditional ways of coming together,
there are still opportunities for all of us to come together to support one another.
You know, as we hear from University of Findlay alumni all over the country who are making a difference on the front lines of this crisis,
we know that our mission to prepare students for meaningful lives and productive careers is more important than ever before.
Here's how you can further our mission in just 24 hours.
Please join us on May 5th, 2020, as we align our 24-hour Day of Giving with hashtag #GivingTuesdayNow, a global day of unity and giving back.
Your unrestricted gift to the University of Findlay will help prepare the next generation of Oilers.
Oilers who will go on to make discoveries, start new businesses, inspire others, and even save lives.
We need you.
Now more than ever.
There's no better time to Oiler up, give back.
There's no better time to support our future.
Oiler up, give back.